Why do I feel hungry all the time? This is a question I heard over and over again. Why? The question is, what triggers you feeling hungry? Is it because that you're on lots of high sugar content food that makes you addicted to it? And if you eat too many sugary stuff, what's going to happen is you're going to go through that spike of the blood sugar goes up and down. And every time that you have some sugary stuff, makes you happy, the sugar's pumped up, you're okay because the sugar really stimulates your appetite and makes you addicted. Then, when your blood sugar level's down and you want to eat something. So, next time when you feel hungry, instead of going for the sugary stuff, the simple way it is, pick up and drink a glass of water. And your body's going to get hydrated and get happy. And then it would ask you to give it more nutrients, like good, healthy food that would make your body feel more comfortable, more full, and that satiety feeling is going to be lasting longer. Now, emotion eating is another thing. Sometimes you feel bored, sometimes you feel lonely. You sit in the couch and eating a big bowl of popcorn that has empty nutrient in it. Why? Because of the boredom. You're not really hungry. You're just thinking that I need to eat something to make me feel comfortable. Picking up that piece of chocolate chip biscuits is a good thing, right? It makes you feel happy. But are you really hungry for that? I don't think so. So next time, think about the reason, deep to think, what is the real reason? It could be just simple as that your body just dehydrated, just needs some water. So I hope it helps you to go through this emotional thought and find out the real reason why you are feeling hungry all the time. Give your comments below so I know if that is the case and how you can manage it successfully. Or if you have more questions, I'd be happy to know and answer you. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missey Grace.